Mothers, trust your intuition. Protect your children from evil eyes and sickness. Today we will perform the Mother Shield ritual, with the option to strengthen it as a brotherhood or sisterhood bond, depending on the children you have. This ritual protects your children from the evil eye, hidden negativity, sickness and weakness, conflicts and harmful influences. It creates an invisible shield of light around them and brings you, as a mother, peace and confidence that your children are safe. In the description, you will also find a simplified version of this ritual for beginners or for those who don't have colored candles or crystals. You can still create this powerful protection with just a few simple items. Remember, a mother's love is the strongest magic in the world. For the Mother Shield ritual, you will need sacred tools that represent purity, strength, and protection. Here is the full list. 3 candles: white for purity and healing, black for cutting away negativity, purple for spiritual protection, crystals and stones: obsidian, the shield; onyx, strength and grounding; amethyst or clear quartz, cleansing and clarity; a bowl of clean water to carry the energy of protection; a pinch of salt for sealing and purification; herbs, lavender, calm, and rosemary, cleansing; paper and a pen, 1 sheet for each child. Write their name and date of birth, plus 1 additional sheet for the brotherhood or sisterhood bond, if you have 2 or more children. Spread a white cloth on the table. Arrange the candles in a triangle, white at the top, black and purple at the base. Place the stones in the center of the triangle. Light the candles clockwise, white to purple to black. Add salt, lavender, and rosemary into the water. Hold your hands above the bowl and imagine a golden stream flowing from your heart into the water, filling it with light and protection. Looking into the flame, say for each child separately, "By the power of spirit and my will, I protect my child," say their name, "shielded from all evil, from sickness, from the evil eye. May their path be bright, their health strong, their mind clear. I am always by their side and my light walks with them." It is sealed. So it is done. On separate papers, write the names and birth dates of your children. Draw a circle around each name clockwise. Place the papers under the obsidian, side by side. If you have 2 or more children, take another paper and write their names together. Add words like union of blood and light, support and protection. You may also draw the infinity symbol, infinity, or 2 connected circles. Draw a circle around it clockwise and say, "The bond between them is strong. Together they are light, together they are strength. None shall destroy, none shall divide." It is sealed, so it is done. Place this paper so it touches both the onyx and the amethyst. Let the candles burn out completely. Pour the water with herbs and salt under a tree or plant, saying, "The shield is given to my child or my children. May their path be bright. May my strength walk with them." It is sealed, so it is done. Keep the stones and papers together in a pouch or box. Sometimes carry the stones with you. They will recharge the shield. You may also throw the candle remains into a river, whispering, "Mother Water, take away the foreign, preserve what is mine." The Mother's Shield is set, unbreakable, eternal. It is sealed, so it is done. Follow me into the world of rituals and hidden knowledge. Subscribe, like, and share. Your support opens the path for even greater magic. And in the description, you will find a simplified version of this ritual, created for beginners. So it is sealed. So it is done.